Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are well and good. So without wasting any time, let us start the video, okay? So in this video, we shall discuss the preparation strategy for ADRE 3.0, okay? Or how to prepare for ADRE 3.0, okay? So some of you may think, why should we listen to him? He is just a small creator, no? You may think, how can he guide us? But my friends, I myself I have given ADRE 2.0 exam and I have cleared all the 3 exams that I have given. Okay, so from my experience, I can tell you that I can guide you how to prepare for ADRE 3.0. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us start the video. Okay, but before that, I want to tell all my viewers that if you are preparing for ADRE 3.0, then do not skip the video, okay? So that you will get to know all the things that is needed before you start your preparation, okay? So let us start. So first thing first, no? The first question that comes into your mind is, when is the exam? No, till now we don't know when the exam will happen, okay? But according to the Chief Minister of Assam, he said that the advertisement will be given in the month of November or December. No, the advertisement will come, okay? That means we can expect the exam will be in the month of, say, August to October, okay? That means roughly we have how many months for the exam? From now we have at least, this is September, so we have at least 1 year, okay? So ADRE 3.0 exam will be between how many, what is the time? Between 1 year, okay? So that is about when is the exam, okay? Now you see, before you start preparing for the exam, first of all, what you have to do is that you have to analyze the exam pattern, okay? You cannot just go and study from anywhere. No, you cannot buy any GK book and simply study, or you will watch videos through YouTube, okay? But before that, first of all, what you have to do is that you have to analyze the exam pattern. Exam pattern means what? The question pattern, okay? What type of questions are coming, which questions are not coming, no, from which topic, which type of question. So all this, before you start your preparation, first try to read, okay, all the previous year question papers, okay, so that you will get an idea what type of question are coming and what type are not coming, okay? So I hope you understand point number 2, okay? Now point number 3, what does it say? Prepare according to the exam, okay? Because we know in ADRE there are no 2 class. One is for grade 3 post and another for grade 4 post, okay? And grade 3 post can be given by those who have clear degree, and then there is HS level also, okay? And for grade 4 post, class 10 level and class 8 level, okay? So if you have completed your degree, that means you cannot appear for grade 4, okay? So before you start preparing, no, try to see, no, try to focus main. If you are preparing for grade 3, try to focus main on the question patterns of grade 3 exam, okay? That is degree and HS, okay? And if you are preparing for grade 4, then try to focus for which level? Class 10 level and class 8 level, okay? So I hope you understood this point. Clear? So now let's move to the next point. That is point number 4. Identify your strength and weakness, okay? So we know in ADRE exam there are 4 main topics or 4 main subjects. What are they? GK, GS, mathematics, reasoning and English, okay? So you see, all the candidates are not equal, no? Some candidates are good in GK, GS, some are good in mathematics, some are good in reasoning, while some may be good in English, okay? So it is important that you know what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, okay? Suppose if you are good in GK, GS, okay, if your strong point is general knowledge, okay, that means try to focus less on this particular topic or particular subject. Okay, keep your focus on this three main topic. Okay, and suppose if your weakness is mathematics, okay, and there is all these three are you are quite good in GKGS, reasoning and English, then what you have to do, you have to spend more time on mathematics from now onwards. Okay, because we know that 1 year time is nothing, yes or no? So you may say that 1 year is left for the exam, but I can tell you that 1 year is nothing. You will not know how time flies by. Okay, so first of all, before you start preparing for the exam, know your strength and your weakness. Okay, if you are strong in one subject and weak in another subject, that means the subject that you are weak, you have to give more time on that particular subject. Okay, so I hope you understand point number 4. Okay, so now let's move to point number 5. Make a timetable. Okay, you see, without making a timetable, no, it is not possible to complete ADRE syllabus, yes or no? You may think that the syllabus are very less, but I can tell you that there are quite a lot of things that we have to study. Okay, so try to make a daily timetable. Okay, so you make it according to you, no, which time you are free, which time you are not free. No, some of you may be students, some of you may be working in private jobs. Okay, so I cannot tell you how to make the timetable. Okay, but try to make it on your own. Okay, but what I can guide is that if you are beginner, no, means you have not given ADRE 1.0 or ADRE 2.0, that means you are a beginner. Okay, that means you have to spend how many hours a day? At least 4 to 5 hours daily. Okay, how many hours? 4 to 5 hours daily. Okay, and if you are average means what? You are neither beginner nor advanced, no, so you can give at least 3 to 4 hours daily. Okay, and if you are in the advanced level, means you have given ADRE exam 2.0 exam, and then maybe you are still waiting for the final result. Okay, and you want for improvement. So if you are in the advanced level, you can spend how many hours? 2 to 3 hours daily. Okay, I hope 2 to 3 hours also will be enough, because you have how much? 1 year time from now. Okay, so this is about point number 5. Okay, now point number 6 is very important. Now most of us used to forget this. Okay, so what does point number 6 says? Aim to score 10 to 15 marks more than the previous year cut off. Yes or no? All of us, we used to look at the cutoff. No, you say previous year cutoff was 100. That means we are aiming to score 100. But we have seen that the cutoff changes. No, ADRE 1.0 and ADRE 2.0. We have seen that ADRE 2.0 cutoff is much higher than ADRE 1.0. Okay, that means you see ADRE 3.0 cutoff will be little bit higher, because that time the candidates will be more expert, no, more experienced. Okay, so that is why you have to aim at least 10 to 15 marks more than the previous year cutoff. Okay, so let me explain using an example. No? Suppose in in HSLC, okay, that means in the 12th standard. Now let's say your category cutoff was how much? 120 this year. No, I'm just giving you example. Okay, let's say this year or ADRE 2.0 the cutoff was how much? 120. Okay, so for ADRE 3.0 your target should be how much? 130. Okay, if this year cutoff was 110, your target should be how much? 120. Okay, try to aim how many? 10 to 15 marks more than the previous year cutoff. Clear? So I hope this explains all your doubts about how to prepare for ADRE 3.0, and if you have any doubts, you can comment and I will try to answer it. Okay, so all the best, and my best wishes are with you. Hope for the best and try to support me. Okay, so thank you one and all.